And what's going on, guys? Just a quick little video today, but I'm sure as many of y'all know, YouTube was actually just hacked, and it was kind of crazy because it wasn't only down for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it was actually down for about an hour. During that hour I got no views at all. I couldn't even log into my YouTube account, which I thought was really strange. Even my last video that I uploaded, as I was searching it on my just on my normal computer, said I had 0 views. Apparently, I mean, I was reading Twitter, seeing what everyone was saying. They were saying that it was hacked, that somebody found the computer room, that they were deleting everyone's accounts. Well, I mean, it's back up now, but I'm very curious to see what actually happened. If y'all know what actually happened, leave it down in the comments. I'm sure we're going to see something from YouTube in the coming days, because this is a huge security breach, because so many people, they have their personal information on YouTube. So I'm very curious to see what happened. Now it looks like I spoke way too soon, because as you can see, you can go to my account, click right here, nothing pops up. So I don't know if it was hacked again, because there for a second I was actually able to see all the videos on YouTube. I just went through my account, made sure that my videos were deleted, because I have like 170 videos. That's the last thing I want, is for all my content to be deleted. But this is kind of an eye-opener that, you know, YouTube, I mean, I'm kind of surprised that Google isn't more secure than this, because there's so many people that rely on YouTube for their livelihood, really. But I'm sure we will hear something from Google, so this is just crazy that it got hacked. I mean, YouTube, Google got hacked. But I'll be posting updates as I find out what happened, because this is kind of crazy that YouTube is down, and it's not only been down, but it's been down for an hour, like an hour and a half. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.